Come now! I see that glint in your eye. You're in the mood to shop. Come, look at my wares. Something will...
Fallen out of my coat, thank you.
Let me go. I think. Just let me leave.
When I can't pay it back. Mr. Stevens
You
would
and
be
your
wrong in his
master
rights
voice.
to let me beat you to a pulp. Think about that.
Oi, no shoving!
No more confusion. Henceforth, it'll be done right the first time.
He nearly did already. I've half a mind to drag him out and thrash some sense into him.
From me?
That's what this is.
Yes. This isn't the first time you've been caught away from your area.
Onward. Yeah.
And woman power.
Woman power too. Sister, if I catch you near her again, you'll regret it.
I've told you not to leave your work area. Ever.
Mysterious. I must protect myself.
Or smack the attitude out of you, you hear me?
Why don't I come over there and give you a good thrashing?
Someone else.
You better be scared of me!
He's off you!
Where's the nearest haberdashery?
It's just over there, sir.
Over there?
Yes, sir.
Keep it up and you'll be shitting your own teeth for a week.
I'm this close to coming over there. What the hell was that?
Chance to cross you today.
Look, will you just run along now? I'm warning you!
We have so much to talk about.
Time I have business to attend to. Are you looking for me? Huh? I'm the last man you want to follow. You! You'll feel my fist if you keep on! Now what could that be? I'm not interested in wasting my time on you. Keep moving. Onward.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo! I'm talking to ya! Up here! You won't like me when I'm angry.
mistake you'll ever make.
I won't tell you again!
Up you. Come on. Someone's gonna get killed.
Onward, girl. Onward, girl.
Looks like I'm getting bored. You're going home in a box, me lad. Until I get there. Don't come any closer.
You'd have got food and plenty of travel. Penny for